Hi, I'm Jared, I'm an exercise scientist for the City of Unley, and welcome to these instructional videos. The purpose of these videos is to provide you with some simple tips so that you can head down to your local park and use the equipment safely and effectively. We're blessed here in South Australia to have so many beautiful parks equipped with gym equipment, so why not take advantage of it? Contact your local council to find out where the location of your nearest park is. So let's get into it. So when engaging in any physical activity, it's important that we warm up. Today we'll go through 4 warm-up options that you'll be able to include into your routine that will get you warmed up and ready to go. First one, just some marching on the spot. Nice and easy, marching on the spot, get some blood flowing, the muscles warm, get that lower body warmed up. 30 seconds of marching on the spot and we'll move on to the next warm-up. So the next warm-up is just some arm circles. Small arm circles to begin with, and then we slowly get bigger, get even bigger, so we're doing some big arm circles, and then we slowly get down to some smaller arm circles, back to the start. 30 seconds of arm circles and we'll move on to the next warm-up. So the next warm-up is just some side steps. So just back and forth, right and left, nice and easy. Get that lower body warmed up. Just some side steps back and forth. 30 seconds of side steps and we'll move on to the next warm-up. So the next warm-up is just some arm reaches. Just some reaching up high to start with. Reaching up high, get right up there. Reach to the side. Make sure we're rotating with the arms. We can go down. 30 seconds of arm reaches. Try 2 rounds of that warm-up and you'll be ready to go. So first up, we've got the leg press. So the leg press is going to help strengthen the big muscles in the front of our legs called the quadriceps. Now strengthening these muscles is going to help with things like pushing up from a seated position or getting up from the floor. So we've taken a seat, got both feet planted on the pad. From here, all we're doing is pushing off with our feet, making sure we push through our heels. So pushing the weight through our heels until we've got a slight angle at the knee, and then we're slowly going back down. One more time, pushing the weight through our heels, slight angle at the knee, and then slowly back down. And that's the leg press. Have a 60-second break and we'll get into the next one. So the next one is the lat pull down. So the lat pull down is going to help strengthen the large muscles in our upper back as well as the muscles in our front of our arm. Now if you find yourself on the ground, it's going to be these muscles that are going to assist in pulling yourself back up to a standing position. So we've taken a seat, feet are firmly planted on the ground. Grab a hold of the handles. From here, all we're doing is pulling down to the bar just underneath our chin, squeezing those shoulder blades, and then slowly back up. One more time, pulling down, bar just underneath the chin, squeeze those shoulder blades, and then back up again. And that's the lat pull down. Have a 60-second break and we'll get into the next one. So the next exercise is the chest press. The chest press is going to help strengthen big muscles in your chest as well as the muscles in the back of your arm. Now strengthening these muscles is going to help with things like pushing up from a seated position and also pushing up off the floor. So we've taken a seat, feet are firmly planted on the ground, place our hands on the handles. From here, all we're doing is pushing with the arms until we have a slight angle at the elbow. You feel a nice squeeze in the chest and then slowly back down. One more time, pushing, slight angle at the elbows, squeeze that chest and then slowly back down. And that's the chest press. Have a 60-second break and we'll get into the next one. The next exercise is the push-up. Now the push-up is going to help strengthen the large muscles in our chest as well as the muscles in the back of our arm. Now strengthening these muscles is going to help with things like pushing up from a seated position as well as pushing up off the floor. So we're standing about an arm's width away. We'll grab a hold of the bar. With a nice straight body, we're just lowering the chest to the bar. And then we're pushing back off until we have a slight angle at the elbow. One more time, Back, lowering that chest down and then pushing back up. And that's the push-up. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's encouraged you to get outdoors and engage in different kinds of physical activity.